Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Lesson 8 in Nisab-us-Sarf. Fi'l Madi and its types. Past tense verb and its types. Firstly, what is a Fi'l Madi? It is a fi'l, a verb which denotes the occurrence of an action in the past tense. For example, daraba, he hit. In the past tense, yeah? There are 6 types of Fi'l Madi. How many types?
6 types.
Number 1. Fi'l Madi mutlaq. Past tense verb which is mutlaq, meaning absolute. It just refers to something in the past. Okay?
Yeah.
Now the Fi'l Madi which is just referring to the past, it doesn't refer to near past or distant past. It just refers to something which happened in the past. For example, Nasara, he hit. Nasara,
He hit.
or Daraba,
He hit.
no, sorry, Nasara meaning he helped. Daraba meaning he hit. Yeah. Now, how is it formed? This is formed by giving fatha to the fa kalima and the lam kalima. And any one of the 3 harakat can be given to the ayn kalima. Alright. For example, in daraba, you give, remember, the fa kalima and the lam kalima will always have what on them? Fatha. But the ayn kalima, he has also got fatha. Yeah? Then you can have sami'a, fatha on the fa kalima and the lam kalima. The ayn kalima in this case is maksur. It has a kasra. Yeah? Sami'a. Karuma. Again, fatha on both fa and lam. Ayn kalima in this case has got a dhamma. So this is how you make the absolute past, yeah? Fi'l Madi, mutlaq. Number 2, there can also be Fi'l Madi qareeb. Fi'l Madi,
Qareeb.
meaning that something which is in the near past. How does this be made? How do we form this? By adding qad at the beginning of Fi'l Madi mutlaq. What do we just add at the beginning? Qad. Qad daraba. He just hit. It just happened recently, in recent past. What else is there? Qad nasara. He just helped. Just a short while ago he helped. Do you understand? That's what it means, and so on. Do you understand? Yeah. You just add qad in the beginning. Number 3. Fi'l Madi ba'id. A past tense verb which is in the distant past, a long time ago. Yeah, not a short while ago, a long time ago. Simply, what do you add onto Madi mutlaq? Kana at the beginning. What do you add in the beginning?
Kana.
Correct. Kana daraba. He hit a long time ago. Yeah. Kana nasara. What does that mean? He helped a long time ago. So when you add kana at the beginning, it takes the Madi mutlaq into distant. Yeah. It makes it into Madi ba'id. So number 2 was Madi qareeb. Madi qareeb meaning near. And this one, number 3, is Madi ba'id, far. It is distant past, long time ago. That was a short while ago. This is long time ago. Number 4, Madi ihtimali. Madi ihtimali. Ihtimali means doubtful. It's something maybe it happened in the past. Okay? What does it mean? That something maybe it happened in the past. Okay? لَعَلَّهُ ضَرَبَ. What do you say?
لَعَلَّهُ ضَرَبَ.
Yeah. لَعَلَّهُ ضَرَبَ means maybe he hit. Yeah. Maybe he hit. And for this also, if you turn over, you can see next. This can be formed by adding on yakunu or la'alla or la'allama, these 3. What can you add on to Madi mutlaq? Yakunu, la'alla or la'allama. And then it means like maybe. Maybe it happened, okay? And it's also known as Madi shakki. Shakki means doubtful. Shak means doubt. Let's see the next examples and you'll understand. La'alla zaydan fa'ala. La'alla Zaydan fa'ala. Remember, Zaydan is going to be mansoob here. We will learn about this later. Why? لعل زيدا فعل. Maybe Zaid did. Okay? Or you can say لعله فعل. Maybe he did. So this is Madi, which is ihtimali, doubtful one. Next. There is fi'l Madi tamannai. This is when you be hopeful. Tamanna, you have a hope. Tamannai is what?
Hope.
Hopeful. So this is in hopeful past. But you hope somebody did this thing in the past. Let's see what it is. How do you make this? What do you add at the beginning of Madi Mutlaq? Layta ma or layta. For example, laytahu daraba. Yeah? Hopefully, or if only he hit. If only he hit. Or, what can you say? Now look here. Layta zaydan fa'ala. Layta zaydan fa'ala. What is it?
Later.
Zaydan fa'ala. Hopefully Zayd did. Hopefully.
Zaid did.
Yeah, Zayd did, If only Zayd did, like that, okay? And laytahu fa'ala. If only he did. Yeah, hopefully Zayd did. So basically there's hope here. It is tamanna. So this is fi'l madi, tamanna, when a person he wishes that this thing did happen in the past. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So to do that, this is what's added on really. Layta or layta ma. You add that onto the beginning of Madi Mutlaq to make it Madi Tamannai. Next, Fi'l Madi Istimrari. Istimrar means continuation, continuous. So it's a Fi'l Madi, a past tense verb, which is what? Continuous past. Now to make the continuous past, you add kana onto a Fi'l Mudari, not onto Madi, in the sixth form. Onto Mudari. Kana yadribu. Kana,
Yadribu.
yes, he used to hit. Continuous past. Kana yansuru, he used to help. Kana yasma'u, he used to listen. Do you get it? So in this sixth form, because what was in the third form, remember, distant past, you added kana onto a past tense verb. Do you get it? Yeah. On number 3, look. Kana onto a past tense verb, made it into distant past. But if you add kana onto a present tense verb, what does it become? Continuous past. What does it become?
A continuous past.
Yeah. So now it mentions a few additional points. From the above methods of formation, it is clear that all types of Madi are formed from, except for 2. Which ones? Number 1 and number 6. From number 1 and number
6.
Yeah. All these types, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are all made from Fi'l Madi Mutlaq. 2, 3, 4, 5 were all made from the first type, weren't they?
Yeah.
You get it? You just did something to the first type, you added something onto it. Either you added qad at the beginning, you added kana at the beginning, you added la'alla at the beginning, or you added layta, la'allahu, laytahu, like that. Do you understand?
Yeah.
You just added something on the beginning of number 1. But what was number 1 itself made from? The masdar, from the root word. Right? And as for number 6, what was that made from? Fi'l mudari in it.
Yeah, Fi'l Mudari.
Fi'l mudari. Number 6 was made from Fi'l mudari. So basically, the 2, 3, 4 and 5 are made from 1. 1 is made from the masdar. What was number 6 made from? Mudari. What was number 6 made from?
Fi'l Mudari.
Fi'l mudari. Right. A second point mentions here, the above mentioned methods of formation give the method of making fi'l madi musbat ma'roof of a siga wahid muzakkar ghaib. So all the examples only mentioned one siga type, didn't we? Wahid, Muzakkar, Ghaib. We didn't go into further siga. In order to make Musbat Majhul forms for all the types except the last one, yeah, Madi Istimrari number 6, yeah. The Fa kalima is given a pesh, a dhamma, and the Ain kalima is given a kasra. Do you get it? Like what you do to daraba, you make it into duriba. To make musbat into, to make ma'roof into majhul. To make ma'roof into majhul. What do? You give a pesh to the fa kalima and you give a zair to the ain kalima. So for example, what does daraba become? Duriba. Fataha becomes futiha. Sami'a will become sumi'a. Do you understand? Nasara will become nusira. Like that, yeah. How do you make? That's how you make ma'roof into majhul. Next, for Madi Istimrari, because here's the Mudari. Is Mudari form being used in Yadribu? Yeah. It will become Yud Rabu. Yadribu will become Yud Rabu. Like for example, Kana Yadribu means he used to hit. Kana Yudrabu will mean he used to get hit. He used to be hit. Do you understand? Yeah. So, how would you change this around? What do? The alamat mudari, the ya at the beginning, the sign of mudari is given a dhamma. And then the ain kalima, instead of fatha, it is given, instead of, it is given a fatha. It is given a fatha. Do you get it? Like what is a ma'roof form is yasma'u. Majhul form will become yusma'u. You get it? Yeah. Ma'roof form is yakrumu. What would it become majhul? Yukramu. So it's talking about how you make from ma'roof into majhul. From ma'roof into majhul. Understand? So majhul has only one pattern in all of them. In the mazi form, what pattern do they all come on? Fu'ila. Which pattern? Fu'ila. Yeah, all of them come on that. They all become like that. You get it? Duriba, futiha, nusira, sumi'a, kurima. Do you understand? Yeah. And in ma'roof, in mazi and in mudari, they all become like yudrabu, yuf'alu. Yudrabu, yusma'u, yunsaru, yukramu, yuftahu, yuhsabu. Do you understand? Yeah. So they follow the same pattern in majhul. Majhul is easier. In ma'roof, you've got different patterns, haven't you? Yeah. But in majhul, they all follow the same pattern. In past tense, what they become? Fu'ila. In present future tense, they become yuf'alu. You understand? So next, he mentions here, in order to make a manfi form of any of the above types, to make a negative, to make the verb negative, you just add ma at the beginning or you add la at the beginning. Daraba is he hit. Ma daraba would be he did not hit. Yeah. Duriba, he was hit. Ma duriba, he was not hit. Yeah. Kana yadribu, he used to hit. Ma kana yadribu, he did not used to hit. That's all it means. Do you understand? And kana yudrabu, he used to be hit. Ma kana yudrabu, he did not used to be hit. Like that. Okay. Now, the entire gardan, the verb table of 14 forms, remember this 14 sigas, is made from each one of these types by adding the alamat and the zamair, the signs and the pronouns of wahid, tasniya and jama. Yeah. Wahid, tasniya, jama. Also of ghaib, hazir and mutakallim, and also of muannas and muzakkar. How many forms do we have in the Arabic? In the verb tables? 14. How many do we have? 14. So, from this explanation, it is clear that 4 verb tables will be made from each type of madi. How many types? 4 verb tables will be made. Number 1, madi musbat ma'ruf. Madi
مثبت معروف.
musbat ma'ruf. Number 2, madi musbat majhul. Madi,
مثبت مجهول.
yeah, that means past tense. Musbat means it is positive. Yeah, it did happen, yeah. And ma'ruf form is when the fail is linked to the fa'il. What will majhul form be when the fail is not linked to the fa'il? And next is just number 3, mazi manfi ma'ruf. The past tense verb, this time it's manfi. It didn't happen. And what is it? Ma'ruf. It is linked to the fa'il.
تفاعل.
Yeah, number 4, mazi manfi majhul. Past tense verb which is negative and which is not linked
تفاعل.
to the fa'il. Okay, so he mentions here each fail has 14 forms, 3 which are muzakkar ghaib, 3 which are muannas ghaib, 3 are muzakkar hazir, 3 are muannas hazir. Then there be 2 which are mutakallim. Okay, 2 which are mutakallim. There's wahid mutakallim. It could be the same for muzakkar or muannas. And then there is jama mutakallim, which is the same for tasniya or jama. Tasniya or jama, and it's the same for muzakkar or muannas. There's 14 forms, okay? And then we mentioned, next point, look over here, madi ma'ruf. Madi
معروف.
from sulasi mujarrad, from those verbs which only have 3 original letters only, comes on 3 scales. Which 3 patterns? Which 3 patterns? Fa'ala,
فعل.
fa'ila,
فعل.
fa'ula.
فعل.
Do you get it? The past tense verbs only come on them 3 patterns, don't they? Fa'ala, or they will be fa'ila
أي.
or
أولى.
fa'ula. Yeah, that's in madi ma'ruf. Those which are sulasi mujarrad. What about the majhul form of all these will just come on 1 scale, fu'ila.
فعل.
Understand? Achha, next. So the verb tables we will revise inshallah, yeah? They'll be written here and then you can revise and then you can understand which siga is which. You will have to revise over these verb tables and then you can write them out as well and understand them.